Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stopping the immediate freeze so you can act. Press the PS button, highlight the locked game, hit Options, and choose Close Application. Once done, check Settings Storage to confirm available space. Low free space can cause locks. Make sure to power cycle the console. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until it shuts down, wait 30 seconds to clear residual power, and then restart. These steps clear temporary glitches and let you continue troubleshooting without losing saves. Once restarted, if the game still locks, boot into safe mode. Power off, then hold power until you hear a second beep, and connect your controller via USB. Choose Rebuild Database. This scans and repairs corrupted entries and often resolves lockups without deleting data. If rebuilding doesn't finish, use Clear Cache or update system software from safe mode to remove problematic temporary files or apply fixes. These deeper steps reorganize the hard drive, so games can load assets reliably and to finish, remove the offending game and reinstall it. Delete the title, then re-download from your library. This replaces corrupted game files. Once done, test gameplay on another user account or move the game to an external HDD to see if the issue is account-specific or drive-related. If locks continue, back up your saves to USB or cloud, then initialize the Ps4 as a last resort. This restores factory software. If even that fails, contact Sony support or seek repair, because hardware faults may be the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.